Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to enable FSD Tesla Model 3. Begin by confirming hardware compatibility and software currency, then open the Tesla app and sign in. Next, review your payment method and any regional availability notes, and prepare your car for a brief update and reboot if needed, so the enablement runs smoothly and safely while you follow the steps. Warmly walk through buying FSD in your Tesla account by selecting either a one-time purchase or subscription. After selecting your option, enter payment details and accept the terms shown on screen. Allow a few minutes for Tesla to process the purchase and push the feature to your car, and keep your vehicle online so the download can start automatically without interruption. I'll guide you through enabling FSD inside your Model 3 by navigating Controls, then Autopilot Settings. Toggle the specific FSD features you want and review any safety reminders presented on screen. If the options don't display right away, try a soft reboot from the touchscreen, and finally take a cautious test drive in a safe area to confirm the system behaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.